Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? And in today's video, we're going to talk about doing that with Gov cleaning contracts. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to make sure that you've registered and you've registered correctly. Now, I get a lot of questions when individuals who have just registered for SAMs start to get marketing that their profile is incorrect or they haven't filled out something or something's missing. Well, it's not a scam, but it is a marketing scheme. And what that simply means is the majority of the time, these companies actually buy the database of all the businesses that have just registered with SAMs, and they're marketing to you. They want you to feel as if you've forgotten something in your SAMs profile and you better act right now. And the majority of them are going to cost about $600 or $700 just for them to add a period or take away something. So please be careful when you actually get the phone calls when you've just registered for SAMs and they're saying something's missing in your SAMs profile. You can actually, kind of go over it yourself, make sure it's compliant, but look at it and make sure that you feel comfortable with it, read over it. And 9 times out of 10, there's nothing really missing. It may be something really, really small, like you forgot to add an S on the end of a word or a period. And this is what their goal is to get you to join with them so they can market to you. So no worries, don't get panicky. I know a lot of my clients and students will call and say, oh, guess what? I got this email. No worries. It's not that you cannot get any government contracts at all. This is a part of their marketing scheme. I know when we would actually get new business, when someone would register their business in Florida, we would get the list of new businesses, of course, because that was a surefire way of us knowing what new businesses had opened. So if you're looking to do business right now, then make sure you look at your DSBS profile, your sam.gov, go into your DSBS, because like I said, September 1st to September 30th is one of the busiest times of federal government. One of the busiest. I want you to make sure that you're ready. If you want to learn more about the basic requirements, what you need to do to market to the government buyers, that includes research, looking at previous contracts, how to pay attention to that, as well as preparing for a bid and being ready for the bid solicitation. And guess what? Make sure you click the link to register for our free Gov cleaning contract class. It's a master class where we go into all the basic requirements step by step on what you need to do to be ready for actually competing in the government space, the government cleaning space. I'd love to see you there. Make sure you have the 3 gets. Get a pen, get paper, and get your favorite beverage. Make sure you bring the attitude to be active. I love, love, love interaction. It's going to be coming up soon. As a matter of fact, this Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So I'd love to see you there. Click now to register. Space is limited. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.